Annoying.
Hello, Tisha.
Happy Thanksgiving. I did like a little natural beat. I gotta put my lip on. This is my makeup robe, so please give me grace. Thanksgiving, and it's a little different for me. Besides that time I went to Dubai for Thanksgiving. My mom and my sisters were supposed to come down here, but they ended up not coming because of other circumstances. And so I'm doing Thanksgiving with Bina and her family, and so I'm gonna try to stop by Evan's house because I did not know she was cooking, but she told me, so I'm definitely gonna get a plate. Airbnb is like 18 minutes for me. Right now I've been up since like 8 o'clock. I was trying to edit my video because yesterday I was doing my Fashion Nova post. Well, I did a Fashion Nova post, and I was trying to edit it a little bit because I do have to post it tomorrow, I believe. So I wanted to be prepared because I know today is going to be busy. So come along with me. As y'all can see, I'm still home. Let me see. Now I'm about to go downstairs since Vina's not ready yet. Evan needs to use my oven because she's cooking. So I'm about to go downstairs, get the mac and cheese, put it in my oven. And then when that's done cooking, then I'll head to Vina's. So yeah. Y'all saw me at Evan's house, auntie house. Auntie! Y'all look at Evan's tree. It's so pretty. Already in the spirit, yes. It got dark so quick. So this is my plate. This is Nika. Say hey, Nika. What? Hey, Pharaoh. Hey, friend. Happy Thanksgiving. Annoying.
Hello, Tisha.
That's nice. I said okay.
It's okay. It's like a good beginner one.
Hey y'all. Today we're vlogging on all of my work. Nobody upset, Pastor G. You done a great job. I was charging $10 a head.
This is my mommy. Like, she cooked all the food, and the food is amazing. Tell them you cook all the food.
I did everything. I was up. I didn't drink. I just started. What? Me and Vina helped you. Oh, what did you cook? The deviled egg. Oh, the devil. And Vina cooked the salmon.
Tisha, can I tell them what I did? And I cut up the cranberries that you took some.
Period. Yes, you did cut it up. You didn't know how to get it out the can.
Nika, did you like the wine?
What is the wine?
It's winey. Yes, thank you, Tisha.
Best friend, did you try the wine?
It's so good.
P?
Yeah, I didn't try the wine yet because actually I'm doing what I'm supposed to do.
We're gonna come back.
Tisha, thank you so much for this bridal party. I love the red wine.
Sarah, you wanna? I am.
How do you?
Say hey, Daniela. All right, you guys. So I came over to Evan's house.
Period.
Hey, Evan. Hey, Prissy. Hey, Tom. I'm over to Evan's for some more food. Today is Black Friday. Evan is preparing. I'm in the trap house.
Y'all see how she do me?
I am in the trap house. They are putting in work, okay? I love it. I just wanted to witness greatness. We are working, yes. Black Friday. Going crazy. Glamour Fair. Hair care, period. Good morning. I just brushed my teeth. Now I'm about to go to the shop. And I gotta purchase some paint today because the goal for today is to get the walls painted. Yeah, I got this bonnet on because while I'm getting ready, I don't like my hair to touch my back. I'm the only person like that. It's gonna help me like get the paint. He's gonna come look at the place and then we're gonna go purchase what I need. So yeah, let's get it, y'all. Okay, so my friend is here, and what do you think about my place? Come on, you can speak.
I don't know. It needs some work, some love.
It do, but that's why you're here.
While I'm here, what you doing? What are you doing?
I'm paid. Don't be a hater.
A salon.
Have you ever seen Alabaster White?
Yeah, Alabaster White's a nice white. It's
You like
nice
that?
White in the makeup studio, hair salon. People touch the wall.
So here's the thing. So this is gonna be the room full of makeup artists.
Mm-hmm.
Show them the room. They have a nice little floor-to-ceiling windows.
They got something.
I'm thinking about having somebody come in and decorate the makeup room, like put wallpaper on it.
Yeah,
Isn't that cute?
that would be cute. Totally.
Give me my camera.
Bro, let's get to work.
Okay, cool. Y'all, so I did not know that they had to make paint when you order it. So I came back with Starbucks because I'm just the best. Oh, I'm gonna put a before video in. It's already coming alive. Roll it up and then roll it down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let's go.
Doing it right?
Mm-hmm. Watch the runs, right?